What's up, y'all? This is an official Slobcore Studios emergency broadcast. Pretty much the entire country is under a winter storm right now. And Portland certainly is. It's been a super windy, snowy day. That's nice. It's 13 degrees outside right now. That's not great. And I don't know when my power's coming back on. It's been out since noon, which has been fine. It's still 60 degrees in here. Yeah, it's fine that it's been out. And I have a lot of battery powered lights. Like I'm using one right now. I mean, I got a candle. I got some other stuff. And I still have a power bank. So I'm going to have to probably charge my phone here in a second. But also, it's like a big storm. And apparently 130,000, 140,000 people have power outages right now. And I just checked the website, and they don't know when my power is going to be back on. So we'll see. I'm not too worried. I got enough light to read some books after this. And I'll probably just go to bed early, honestly. Try and get up with the sun and figure out what's going on tomorrow. But it's time to eat, and I figure I'd make up a little something and do a little slobcore out of it. So let's see. I'm just got a nice little. I'm going Ben Franklin style. Just a little candlelight here. Yeah. So I'm gonna do kind of a little spicy crab sushi dip, and just eat it with some of these little Nori snacks. And so I'm doing classic cooking show right now. I guess I'll just keep talking as I do this. Not traditional slobcore. Is that can in the way? Yeah, it is. And hopefully I'll be able to upload this tonight. But yeah, no good. It's actually the last time we had a big storm power outage. I think I lost power for 3 days. And it was at the same time that the whole Texas grid failed or whatever. So that kind of was the bigger story. But it still definitely was pretty substantial here in Portland. And just made me realize that we have all these branches and all these overhead lines. And it's just guaranteed that they're going to crash over. There's been a bunch of trees falling at my parents' house today and grandparents. Sunroof got broke, a gazebo got broke, and then 2 big trees fell on our neighbors' houses. Currently, no one in my family has been squished by a tree yet, hoping to keep it that way. Thankfully, I'm as tall as the nearest tree here, or my apartment is. So if a tree fell, it'd kind of just be hanging out. I don't think it would destroy me. Hopefully, oh my god. I really need to pay attention to this knife and not cut my finger. Oh, that would be a nightmare. Except honestly, the roads I think are pretty icy and treacherous, but there have been a lot of fire department and ambulances, and there's a lot of people driving around right now even. Which is good. If I need to get out of here, I think I should be able to. But we shall see. It also, the electricity could randomly come on while I'm doing this. That'd be fun. But it seems like I'm probably not the priority customer right now. Which is whatever. Okay, got this green onions. Green onions. I'm going to do some cucumber. Let's see how I want to cut these cukes up. How do I want to eat you? Oh yeah, that's the cut right there. Oh my god. Sorry, I was a little quiet there. I was thinking hard. I was in my food brain, baby. Just kind of little slivers. I'll just make a little thing, a thing. So yeah, I'm honestly, it's gonna be really annoying if the power is still out while I go to sleep and wake up. Like, it might be like 50 or 40 degrees in here. Hopefully not 40. That seems absurd. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, more chopping. Oh yeah, gotta chop up the crab, of course. So, cubes on there. Ooh, I'll have to get some furikake as well. I'm thinking to do Slobcore live and do some live streams. I realized I can actually use this table as kind of the studio space. Keep your eyes peeled for that. I think I could do some fun solo ones and maybe even get some collaborators in here. Do kind of like a Twitch show. I'm gonna do this whole package. I love this stuff. It's so tasty. Oh, hey, kitty. You smell the fish? Here, BJ. Try this. I love fake crab. Like, don't get me wrong. I love normal crab too, but fake crab really has just so many good uses and applications. Like, I have had crab rangoon with, like, lump crab, and it's not as good. And I think same with, like, obviously California rolls. I have had crab on sushi, and that's really nice, but I love this surimi. Crab with a K. I think I should get involved in the surimi business, honestly. Being a food scientist, working on that stuff. Oh, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Slice, 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 slice. I love how slobcore this is. That is good. Making a mess, as always. Ooh, let me get a spoon and that furikake. QP mayo, you know it. You know what's up. Oh yeah, good healthy Dobbins. And apparently it's hard to find sriracha, but I have this old bottle and it's all vinegary. I think it's good for a long time. And I also have this black garlic sriracha, which is insanely good. Plus the green onions in there. Let's see how that is looking. Yeah, that smells great. Hear that? That's greatness. Oh my gosh. A little more mayo. But that is like right there. Mmm. Ooh. All right, let's plate these up. Give ourselves a little meal. I'm wondering if something's wrong with me, honestly, because I love these little Nori snacks. And I've had this unopened massive package from Costco for like 3 weeks, and I haven't just completely eaten them all. And that's something I've been known to do. Oh, yeah. When I was still living at home, my room upstairs, I'd just be like watching Netflix or something and just. And it's also a fun food like popcorn where you can just pick it up with your tongue. So good. And I'd just be covered in like the nori dust all over me. Good times, folks. And now I'm doing the same thing and I'm making a little Instagram show of it. Just ladle on a little bit of my spicy crab. Oh, BJ, what's up? Hi, kitty. Not for kitty. Hi, BJ. We're in this together. We will survive the storm, okay? Man, I wish I had power right now. That'd be so cool. I'd be having so much fun on the internet. Oh well. Ooh, mama. Okay. Top each one of these with a little cucumber slice. Poppity pop, poppity pee, poppity poo poo poo. Kooky looky bumber cumber. Cucumber. A little furikake, and we're good to go. All right. Bon appetit, BJ. That's nice. Ooh, that's really nice. I obviously do wish I had some sushi rice. And I do have a little camp stove, a little gas one. So I could have cooked something, but I'm going to save that for now. I didn't want to just like boil rice. Oh. I needed that too. I think I was pretty hungry. I've been pounding LaCroix like nobody's business the last couple months. And then I wonder, is it just because I love the bubbles? And I love doing a little burp? Because I am a chugger, as you just saw. I don't know. I don't need to interrogate it too much. I enjoy it. That's all. Bon appetit. I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for joining.